how to find influencers to reach out to on Amazon. Why is this important? How can it make you money? Influencer marketing is all the rage nowadays. It's important to get UGC on your pages. Like that means user generated content. Getting influencers to create videos that will appear on mobile browsers, on desktop browsers, in your picture carousel, on the bottom carousel. This is going to help you with your conversions, and it's going to give you more reach out there on Amazon, the more influencers that create videos. Or maybe you want to do a collab with like a very unique type of influencer off of Amazon, but you want to find who are the ones who are making videos on Amazon and maybe see, hey, do they have a following on Instagram or TikTok or something and can I slide into their DMs so I can ask to collaborate? You can actually search the entire database of anyone who has made influencer videos for Amazon products. You can even search for like, hey, I want to see any influencer who has made videos for my number one competitor brand, because hey, if that's a spooky, product brand like my brand, and they made videos for their products, they'd be a perfect person to reach out to make videos for my products. Let me show you guys how to do that. This is a tool that's available for our Diamond members, but hit tools and then under marketing, go to influencer finder. Now we've got a TikTok and Amazon one, so just make sure you're in the right one. And one of the ways is I could say, hey, show me any influencer who has perhaps done a video for any kind of coffin shelf. All right. Let's go ahead and search for that. And then look at all these influencers who have come up. I could be like, hey, do any of them, how many, has any of them posted a lot of videos? I could sort by the number of videos they've posted. And we're going to find out in a bit how some of these have, look at this. This person has made 77 videos out there. Here's me. This is, wow. This tool found my Amazon influencer page. You can even see my picture right here inside of Helium 10. I've posted 7 videos on my page before. Take a look here. It has YouTube links. It has TikTok links. Like if I want to reach out to this Kristen Coffin, I can just click here and I can find her. I can message her right on TikTok. Here's another influencer who has their Instagram right here. I just hit this once and I'm instantly going to go to her Instagram page and I can slide into her DMs right there. So this is a way, guys. You can sort by, all right, hey, show me any influencers who have made videos in this category that has generated or that has made at least 100 videos or has an average video length of 30 seconds as opposed to 2 minutes. I mean, you can search for almost anything here, but some of the most important things that I like to search for is the one that have email addresses, the ones that have social media links, and being able to put in an ASIN of my competitors, being able to put in the brands of my competitors and saying, hey, show me anybody who has made videos for that brand, for that ASIN, because those would be perfect targets for me to reach out to try and see if they're willing to collaborate to promote my product. So guys, start using the Helium 10 Influencer Finder to reach out to creators to get more UGC on your listings and potentially for social media collaboration.